Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender for pressurized irrigation systems. The Ministry of Agriculture in Eritrea has received financing from the African Development Bank Group for the Drought Resilience and Sustainable Livelihood Program, DRSLP V. This project aims to improve agricultural infrastructure. The Ministry of Agriculture now invites sealed bids for the supply and installation of pressurized irrigation systems at Halhale, Golj, Aklelet, and Gahtielay agricultural research stations. The bids must be delivered by 10:30 a.m. local time on March 24, 2025. This specific procurement notice is for the supply and installation of pressurized irrigation at Halhale, Golj, Aklelet, and Gahtielay. The bids from eligible bidders will be invited. Electronic bidding will not be permitted. Bids will be opened publicly on March 24, 2025. https://www.afdb.org/n/documents/SPN Eritrea Supply and Installation Pressurized Irrigation Halhale Golj Aklelet Gahtielay Agricultural Research Stations DRSLP V.